Well, our assignment today is to winterize the engines in our 1980 Silverton 34C. Right there waiting for us. First thing we gotta do is start the engines and see if we can warm them up. Starboard engine going. Let's try the port. And just check for water flow. All of our stuff waiting for us. So, might as well get the engine hatches open and get to work. Well, the oil's nice and warm, so we will start with the dirtiest part of the job, and that is to remove the oil filters. And our filters are remote, connected by those two blue hoses, so they're a little easier to get off compared to where they originally were, which was down there. Really hard to get off. But with the remote filters, it's a lot easier. Fill in the oil filters with oil before we screw them on. Well, our oil extractor is pumping the oil out of the port engine. That didn't take very long. And I can hear it sucking air from the bottom of the crankcase, so it's time to take this up to the recycle place and get rid of it. Okay, while we're sucking the oil out of the starboard engine, we have filled the port engine, and we just have to check the level, and we'll be done with that part of the project. Now the fun part. 3 gallons of antifreeze in the bucket. Open the spigot, start the engine, and up they go. Seacock's closed, and it will happen very fast. Well, that took about 45 seconds for it to suck up 3 gallons, and no spills, no leaks. Let's do the other side. Okay, let's get the bag out of there. Well, all the got left to do now is get rid of all this garbage and carry all this stuff up to the car and find out what Frances has got on her list for me to bring home. I'm going to have to make a couple of garbage runs, it looks like. But that's fine. At least this sloppy job is done. Finally. I do leave the seacocks closed at this point, and I open them later when I'm up in the shed. That's just so I don't forget to do it next spring.